Are you wasting your money on the wrong protein? If you're serious about fitness, you know protein is key. But when it comes to whey versus whey isolate, the battle is real. Which one builds muscle faster? Which one is better for weight loss? And most importantly, are you making the right choice for your body? Some say whey isolate is the purest and best, while others swear by regular whey protein for its cost-effectiveness and balanced nutrition. So which one truly deserves a place in your shaker? Welcome to Fit Fuel Diaries, your go-to channel for nutrition, fitness, and expert health tips. Today, we're breaking down the differences, pros, and cons of whey versus whey isolate, so you can make an informed choice. Let's go! What is whey protein? The muscle builder. Whey protein is a byproduct of cheese making. After milk is processed, the liquid left behind is whey, which is dried into whey protein powder. It's one of the best protein sources because it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Why people love whey protein? Affordable and widely available. Rich in BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids for muscle recovery, good mix of protein, fats, and carbs, perfect for overall nutrition. Slower digestion helps with sustained muscle repair. The downside? Higher in lactose, which may cause bloating in sensitive individuals. Slightly lower protein concentration than whey isolate. Contains more carbs and fats, not ideal for strict low-carb diets. Who should choose whey protein? Beginners or budget-conscious fitness enthusiasts. Anyone looking for balanced nutrition, not just protein purity. What is whey isolate, the lean machine? Whey isolate is the more refined version of whey protein. It goes through extra processing to remove most of the lactose, carbs, and fats, leaving behind 90 to 95% pure protein. Why do people love whey isolate? Higher protein concentration, 90% or more. Faster absorption equals quicker muscle recovery. Almost zero lactose, easier digestion for sensitive stomachs. Lower in carbs and fats, great for fat loss and lean muscle gains. The downside? Well, it's more expensive due to additional processing. Some isolates may lack key nutrients found in whole whey, and let's be honest, it's not necessarily better for casual fitness enthusiasts. So, who should choose whey isolate? Athletes and bodybuilders needing fast recovery, people with lactose intolerance, and anyone on a strict low-carb or cutting diet. Whey versus whey isolate, understanding the key differences. Whey protein contains about 70 to 80% protein, meaning it has more carbs and fats than whey isolate. Whey isolate, on the other hand, is a purified form with 90 to 95% protein content, making it more protein-dense and ideal for lean muscle building. So if you want a higher protein percentage with fewer calories, whey isolate is the better choice. Lactose content. Whey protein contains more lactose, which can cause bloating, gas, or discomfort for those who are lactose intolerant. Whey isolate goes through an extra filtration process, removing almost all lactose, making it easier to digest. If you're lactose intolerant or have digestion issues, whey isolate is the way to go. Carbs and fats. Whey protein has a moderate amount of carbohydrates and fats, making it slightly higher in calories. Whey isolate contains very little carbs and fats, making it ideal for low-carb diets. For weight loss or cutting phases, whey isolate is better. For general fitness, whey protein works fine. Absorption rate. Whey protein takes slightly longer to digest due to additional lactose, carbs, and fats. Whey isolate absorbs faster into the bloodstream, making it great for post-workout recovery. If you want quick absorption after a workout, whey isolate is the better option. Who should use it? Whey protein is best for beginners, general fitness enthusiasts, and budget-conscious users. Whey isolate, on the other hand, is recommended for athletes, lactose-intolerant individuals, and those following a strict diet. So choose whey protein for a balanced diet, and opt for whey isolate if you're looking for a leaner, more refined protein source. Cost. Whey protein is more affordable due to minimal processing, while whey isolate is more expensive because of additional filtration and higher protein purity. If you're on a budget, whey protein is a great choice, but if you want premium quality, go for whey isolate. Does whey isolate build more muscle? Big question. If whey isolate is pure, does that mean it builds more muscle than regular whey? Not necessarily. Muscle growth depends on total protein intake and strength training, not just purity. Both whey and whey isolate contain the same essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. Whey protein is slightly slower digesting, which may help with sustained muscle recovery. Whey Isolate absorbs quicker, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. Bottom line, if you hit your daily protein target, both Whey and Isolate will get the job done. Which one is best for weight loss? If you're cutting weight or on a low-carb diet, Whey Isolate is the better choice because it's lower in carbs and fats, which helps maintain a calorie deficit. It also has faster absorption, preventing muscle loss while dieting. Plus, you'll experience less bloating and better digestion. But regular whey can still help with weight loss if you're controlling overall calorie intake, you don't have lactose sensitivity, and you prefer a more balanced macronutrient profile. Key takeaway: if you're on a strict low-carb or keto diet, Whey Isolate wins. Otherwise, regular whey is just fine. Final verdict: which one should you choose? Choose whey protein if you want a budget-friendly protein source, you don't have lactose intolerance, and you prefer a balanced mix of protein, carbs, and fats. Choose Whey Isolate if you need high protein, low carb, and fast absorption, you have lactose sensitivity, and you're serious about lean muscle growth and fat loss. The truth? There's no wrong choice. It depends on your fitness goals, digestion, and budget. What's your protein pick? Let's discuss. Are you Team Whey or Team Whey Isolate? Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you swear by whey, or 100 emoji if you're all about Isolate. Like this video if you found it helpful, share this with a gym buddy. Subscribe to Fit Fuel Diaries for more expert health and fitness tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update.